In this tutorial, we will be talking about how to use the HTML5 placeholder attribute and make it cross-browser compatible with Internet Explorer. So in this themeorbit.com tutorial, we will go ahead and begin the doc type and the head element. And let's go ahead and begin the title element. And we will call it HTML5 placeholder attribute. And go ahead and put in our script element here. And we will use 3 scripts, client-sided scripts. And the order does matter. Add in that source attribute. And so let's put the jQuery library first. Now let's put the modernizr latest version second. And lastly, add in that source attribute reference over our external file custom.js. Okay. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and begin our internal style sheet. And in here, we'll put our selectors, body, input, text area, and our declaration. Add in our font family property, Helvetica is our value, and a font size of 13 pixels. Let's go ahead and add in our input selector, and we'll give it a property, a width property with a 14 EM value. And let's go ahead and add in our text area selector and give that a height of 5 EM with a width of 20 EM. Let's go ahead and we've ended the style element. Let's go ahead and end the head element and begin our body. Okay, now let's go ahead and create a form. Form action equals demo form.php. So if you're creating a form, you add that file to process this form here, PHP script. Let's go ahead and add in the input type equals text name attribute as name, and go ahead and add in that HTML5 placeholder attribute. We will add in as an example my name, add in a line break, and let's go ahead and we will add in 4 input areas with the text area. Give it a name of message, the placeholder attribute, and we will call it your message goes here. And we will end this with the ending tag, text area, and end that form. Okay. Now for our placeholder value, for this one we could put info@themeorbit.com, and then we'll put this email. For the second one, let's do that. For the third one, let's put in URL. Okay. And then for the next one, we can put password. Okay. So now that we've done that, we've ended our form. Let's go ahead and enter our body element and our HTML element. Okay. So now let's go ahead and save that to our desktop. Now here, okay, let's go ahead and go to jQuery.com and let's download the latest version of the jQuery library. Command A to select all, Command C to copy, and Command V to paste. So we have version 10. Let's go ahead and Command S to save. We already had this custom script here. So on themoorbit.com/quick-tip-input-placeholders, or you could just type in placeholder in the search box, and it should query the result, and it query the article that I discussed this on in the search results. That and you'll find this source code here you can download. And we need to go to the modernizr, and we need to go ahead and download that from that from their website. Here in latest news, we see 2.6.2 that's released. Let's go ahead and click on See Demo. Actually, let's go down here to GitHub. Sorry about that. Scroll all the way down, 2.6.2. Okay. And view file. Okay. Now let's go ahead and Command A, Command C, Command V to paste. Okay, let's go ahead and copy this. I believe it's about 1,400 lines here. It's modernizr. This is 2.6.2, the latest version. So we went ahead and added this in our second script there. Order does matter. So this is all the code here to get this to work. So modernizr library here. And then what we'll do is we'll go to netrenderer.com, and I'll show you how it works in IE 10, the latest version of Internet Explorer, but it doesn't work in other versions. But we will fix that using the modernizr. Command C, copy. Go ahead and Command V to paste. Command S to save. Okay, we've saved all our files here. Index. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and open up FileZilla. And from our desktop where we saved it, we will overwrite these empty files that we have. Here on test.themoorbit.com, the subdomain I have set up, if you press enter, we don't see anything. So let's go ahead and overwrite these empty files and see what we got. Okay. Go ahead and copy over those 3 scripts. Okay, now okay. So here we have, let me go ahead and save that. I needed to end that tag there. Now, okay. Alright, so now if we put in test.themoorbit.com and go as far as back as Internet Explorer 6, okay. Alright, let's go ahead and add in. So we've installed these 3 right here. Let's go ahead and add in that JS. Let's go ahead and reference that over correctly. So using the modernizr, let's go ahead and render this page. Okay, now we see going as far back as Internet Explorer 6, we have our placeholder values that work. Okay. And not using modernizr, you can go in Internet Explorer 10. Okay, so it's not working in Internet Explorer 6. So thank you for watching this tutorial.